Jolante is the engine of a garden railroad in Gysenberg Park, Herne, in Germany, and this is her anniversary, September 16, 2018. We visited the park by chance and made this footage freehand with a Fujifilm X30 camera. How old is Jolante today? We didn't know it exactly. So far as we remember, a poster said that Jolante is a 25 years old twin. Another source says that Jolante operates since 1970. We wanted to honor Jolante soon after her anniversary, but this was impossible, because some days after Jolante's anniversary my father was very sick and we had to visit him as often as possible in 3 hospitals. Time goes by and now we are able to congratulate Jolante and give her this video as birthday present. Jolante is a small electric engine but a very important dame too. Almost every child in Herne and visitors' children of other towns enjoyed a ride on the train since the railroad was founded. Children, parents and grandparents have always a lot of fun to take a short ride in the park. Most children have a long ride in their parents' car to the park, and after that a short ride with Jolante. What's the difference? It's more fun to take the train. Yeah, for children Jolante is a real railroad. It has a railroad station, 2 automatically controlled switches, a crossing with flashing and warning lights and railroad crossing sign and a tunnel too. Park railroads have a long history. A lot of countries have ordered one: Austria, France, Switzerland, Denmark, Great Britain, Russia, the Netherlands, Greece, China, India, Turkey, Argentina, Costa Rica, Canada, Peru, the United States, Australia and much more. In Stuttgart, South Germany, one was built in 1931 and the second in 1939. The Stuttgart-Gysenberg Railroad of 1931 was closed after 6 years in 1937. Wroxham Steam Railroad in Norfolk, Great Britain, operated much longer from 1880 until 1982. Following some informations, it was reopened about 1993. The French Bois de Boulogne Railroad opened in 1878 and could be one of the oldest. Do you know more than we do about this small gauge railroads? Feel free to comment and inform us and all other YouTubers about the park railroads of your country or town.
Dzisiaj jak właśnie tak, ale idziemy teraz tam. Charlotte idziemy. Tak, to ja, op jeden.
Was?